fix Facebook locked posts. Hello everyone, in this video we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first you need to go and open the settings of your device, then here open apps option, and when you find apps option, now what you should do, you have to search for Facebook app. When you find Facebook, open it like this, then go to storage option, click now on clear data, click OK, and then you have to back, click on force stop and click also OK. And now the last things you need to do, you have to go to your Play Store, update your Facebook if it's not updated, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.